First coat of oil. Alright, so here's the stopping point for today. Hit the handle on the chef's knife. Clean up where I scratched the blade a little bit. Handles by Mr. Austin Bradford again. Curly maple, dyed. That's that little fillet knife. I just roughed the handle out, but that's where I'm at with it. Getting closer. Just testing that one out. I'm gonna make a set out of this chef's knife, make another small one. But that handle is, love that curly maple that he does. Turns out amazing. But that's where I'm at now. Gotta put an edge on it, clean it up. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.